Welcome to this section of self publishing again. Today I'm going to open your eyes to know some things you did not know before, or even if you knew them before, this will be an addition. All right. And we are discussing on the topic how branding can help you get more sales on Amazon KDP and make you some money in return. Yes. And for you to understand this from beginning to end, you need to stay to the end because I believe and I assure you that you are going to learn something so unique from this guide. All right? Before we go into this in detail, let's define what branding is. It has diverse definitions based on different sources, but we are going to bring it down to what I want to talk about. And in that case, branding can be defined as the process of creating the brand identity of a company or a team. By brand, we are talking about a name. And sometimes when people hear about branding or brand, they think it's something you must do with money. No, in this case, the branding we are talking about is something you're going to do without any money. You can call it a company, you can call it your own establishment. Now, let's go into it in detail, bringing it down to Amazon KDP. To me, branding is a way of having a unique name, which you can call a pen name. And under that pen name, you have different books under it. Amazon KDP allows you to have more than even 20 pen names of your choice. All right. But here, I want you to limit it to three basic pen names. Though you can write other pen names, but I want you to build your brand around just two or three. Yes. There's a section of Amazon KDP called Author Central, if you don't know. It allows you to create author's page based on the name you use in publishing your book. Take for example, I'm a tech person. I publish some books on software use, maybe Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and so many others. I can have a name like Mike Richard. And under that Mike Richard, I'll publish only tech books, software books. I teach you how to use certain software and make use of them very well. Maybe I'll teach you how to use social media platform, how to do online marketing, how to make money online. They are all under tech. I get in it. So any book I'm publishing it under this particular pen name, Mike Richard. All right, and they're all related books. I can be publishing maybe a book on software, how to use Microsoft Word, and tomorrow I'll go and have cookbook inside it, how to make some dishes. No, that's not a good branding. So every book you're publishing on that particular under that particular pen name, author's page must be related. That is branding in this case. Then I can still have another pen name. Maybe I'm experienced in another area, maybe in business, whereby I publish business books. That's another brand name. But the truth is, people that are coming to buy these books don't know that you are the same person that is managing the one of tech and the one of business. And I may have another page whereby I talk about finance. Yes, I talk about finance, maybe I talk about insurance or banking or saving money or real estate. See, listen, before I got into Amazon KDP, I have experience in so many areas. So, with that my experiences, I can have different pen names, different brand names. I manage them from one account. Yes. So I manage from that account and I make more money because each unique pen name that has an author's page has what it covers. Are you getting that? I can make shoes. Okay, let me list my skills. So I can have a new brand name under that. I can talk about insurance. I worked in insurance company for stress 6 years before I resigned. I can do tech. That's over 20 years of experience. I get in it. So all these may have different pages. As a person, you have the right to acquire as so many skills as you want. That's your profession. You become a professional in that field. Okay. So now let's talk about the benefits of this branding we are talking about. When you have a brand name and have similar books under that particular brand name, people see you as a professional. You become an authority in it. Yes. And once you become an authority in it, somebody may buy that one book under that particular pen name. Tomorrow, he comes some, I'll be like, okay, I bought a book on Microsoft Word from this author, and he has a book on Excel. I think I need to know something about Excel. He or she will end up buying another book under Excel. Before you know, you start making waves. People start knowing you. And if one book picks up and start selling more than others, it can drive traffic to your other books. That's the beauty of branding. And by so doing, you start making more money. So, branding is one big and interesting tool that will help you to make more money. And another thing is, under that brand, each of those books may have A plus content. And A plus content allows you to link similar books of yours. Yes, under that same pen name. Are you getting it? So somebody may buy book A and still see B under the same category, under the same niche, written by you because you have it under that book, under the description. Then he or she will buy it. Before you know, your money will start climbing from $100 under that brand name, 200, 300, 400, and so many, $1,000 from one brand name. I made a video a few months ago on how one single book can change your life. That book is under one brand name, but I'm not going to tell you. It's my little secret. And do you know what? Because that book has been selling so well, it's now driving traffic to some other books under that same pen name, which you can call brand. So brand your book. All right. It's not a must, you must use one particular pen name. You have the right to use many. But even if you're using many, you can build brand around one or two and build your high content books under them. And before you know, your money will start growing more and more. All right. Okay, let's discuss another benefit of branding on Amazon KDP. Another benefit this has is that it can help you interlink your books. Yes, let me explain because you may not understand it. On author's page, there's a section named recommendation, all right, which allows you to recommend a particular book to your readers. Okay? As a person, I may be interested in tech alone. Are you getting it? And I have a pen name, Mike Richard, which I have a lot of tech books under. All right. Then I may have another pen name known as Godwin James. And other Godwin James, I still write tech books there. But buyers don't know that I am the one that is Godwin James, and at the same time, I am Mike Richard. They see us as different entities, different people. Nobody knows we are the one. I'm the one managing these two pages. All right. So Because people come to my page to buy something, they buy my book, and after buying my book, they get to the author's page. Hmm? The book I wrote under Mike Richard, all right? Then they'll scroll down and get to recommendation section, and they see a book I recommend, still tech related, written by James. They will click and still go and buy that book. So I make money from Mike Richard to Godwin James. Are you understanding it? So, so you can have two brand names where you talk about where you are good in. If you're good in software, you talk about software in these two pages, these two pen names. You become an authority. But the content of each of those pen names are unique. Please know that they're unique. All right. Maybe I am writing a book currently on Microsoft 365. And after completing the book on Microsoft 365, I have it under Godwin Richard or so. Then in 2 months ahead, I may decide to write the same book on Microsoft 365. They talk about the same thing actually, but their content are different. Are you getting it? All right. Then I'll publish it under another pen name where I have already built an author's page. So people buy this and buy that, and that is more money. It's legal on Amazon. All right. What is important is that your content is unique. Okay. Let me show you something like this. All right, on Amazon, so that you understand where I'm driving to. So let's get to the screen. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the screen of my PC right now. So this book, this page is owned by Ian Lamart or so. I can't pronounce the name very well. So he specializes in software, all right, Dropbox, Excel, Google Drive and Docs, and the rest. So if you scroll down on this page, you will see this area called I am Lamart's book recommendations. All right, this allows you to recommend some books, as I said before, and you can see this one, the Lean Startup: How Today's Entrepreneurs Use Continuous and so, written by Eric Rice. You can see that. Don't be surprised that this young man is the owner of this book. Okay, so when you buy any of his books and then go to this guy and still buy, he's the one that earns the commission, he's the one that earns the money, the royalty. So let's click and see what this book is talking about. You can see here, this guy is talking about something unique as well. So if at the end you are convinced to buy this book, he will still make more money. And the book bestsellers rank is okay, 21,000. He'll make more money in return. And with this, he grows. Before you know what's happening, his royalty in a month is $1,000, $2,000, and plus and beyond. Now, okay, look at this. Let's click on the page. Okay. So if you click on the page, you see this guy still has a lot of books under his own page. Okay. Under his own page, he has a lot of books as well. Then don't be deceived with this picture. You can get any picture online and have it as a profile picture. Are you getting it? So this is very important tips and tricks on Amazon KDP I'm giving you today on how you can make more money, all right, through branding, all right? So these are the major things you need to know about branding on Amazon KDP. But if you want to go further, all right, you can consider having a website, author's website, where you list some books under a specific pen name. All right, it will still help you to build a portfolio and maybe build your email list and make more money. But these, I explained before now, are the basic things. So, with this, I believe you have understood how branding can help you drive sales and make more money on Amazon KDP. All right. So, keep on writing, keep on pushing high content book, and keep on making money. Learn more? I have a playlist on this area of interest, so you can go down to the playlist and watch all my videos on self-publishing. All right, writers and self-publishing. It will help you a lot. Okay. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas. We talk about self-publishing, YouTube education, how to use different computers, how to use different types of phones, iPhone, Android. All right, and tech in general. So subscribe to learn more and grow. Okay, so if you're interested in any of these content categories, you need to subscribe. Even if you don't like a particular category in this channel, I believe you can learn to grow. We learn every day. Okay, as you learn, you improve. Okay, hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If you don't do that, there's no how the system knows that this is helpful content. The system works with code. So once you hit the like button and leave a comment, it knows that it's helpful. Okay, it doesn't have time to start checking each of the videos on the platform one after the other. No, okay, there are a lot of videos on this platform. Okay, so leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful to you? Or if you need more clarification, just drop that in the comment section. Okay, I will answer you. All right, so I'll answer you. I help you more to grow and make money. Let all of us make money on the platform and be happy. To watch more on how to make more money or grow on Amazon KDP, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.